All right, so what I want to demonstrate here was getting data from Works Manager, or actually from SiteWorks through Works Manager back in the Business Center. So sent my guy out here to topo this area, and he's using the same project that we used to build the gas station over here. So I got him out here, and I'm gonna have him just kind of come around here and do some topo. And I'm just gonna say no to this, and I'm just gonna collect a bunch of points. So you can see I'm just walking around, doing some topo, taking some shots. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my data manager, and I'm going to connect, go to my connected community, and I'm going to synchronize my project here. So we'll give that a second or two to sync. What it's going to do is it's looking for data from Works Manager, and then it's going to send data back to a Works Manager, especially this work order that I created, which was to topo the adjacent project. So I'm just going to accept that, let it receive data, and then synchronize. So you can see it's synchronizing the data, and then we will go into Works Manager and download the work order so that we can bring it into Business Center. So we'll give that a second to process. So now it's telling us that our synchronization has been successful, so we'll click OK. And I will go back into my Works Manager project, and I'm going to go to my devices. And on my device, I'm going to come over here, and you can see we've got this field data. I'm going to select View. It's going to go out and it's going to look to see if there was any work orders that were uploaded. And you can see here's the work orders. So I have my SiteCal, I've got my stakeout work order, and I've got my topo adjoining lot. And that's the one that I want to bring in. So I'm going to go ahead and download it. Now it's going to download it to your download folder. So I'm going to click on Show in Folder. So when I show in folder here, you can see there's my topo. So I'm going to right click on this, and I'm going to cut it. And I'm actually going to paste it into my project. So in my Trimble Synchronizer data folder, Works Manager, under my project, you'll see that I made a Works Manager folder. So I just went to New Folder, created a work order folder, and I'm going to drop that in and paste that file there. All right, so I'm just going to close this one down. We'll move this guy out of the way. We'll escape out of that and go back to our map. I'm going to come bring this guy up here. And then I'm going to go back into Business Center here. So let me switch over to Business Center. And what I'm going to do is just basically drag and drop in that topo adjoining lot. And it's going to bring in the work order into my Business Center project. So I can look at the errors and the warning, but there's my surface of those shots that I just took. And if we look over here, you can see there's those shots. So if I did a full topo here, I'd be able to bring that data back into my project, or bring it into a new project, and maybe do some grade checks or whatever it is I need. But that's getting the data from Works Manager back into Business Center as it stands today.